to thank the organizers for allowing us to be a part of this tradition and time-honored celebration. As we close out 2022, we understand that we have challenges in our respective cities and communities. Seeing so many people from across Wisconsin and also our neighboring states, we understand the challenges of what we're seeing in our respective cities. The challenges of violence, the challenges of domestic violence, and issues within our own respective neighborhoods. As we enter into a new year, let us commit ourselves to collaborate, to work together, as this event honors the clans and honors the family traditions. It's only through those connections, it's only through those commitments will we be able to rise above what we have seen in 2022. So I challenge each and every one of you to be part of the solution. Your respective law enforcement, especially when we talk about the Milwaukee Police Department, we cannot do it alone. We need the help of each and every one of you, collectively. Not only from the standpoint of joining the Milwaukee Police Department, I know that's a shameless plug, but also, what can you do in your respective communities to make it better? Only by working together, understand the needs when we get through this. So again, I'd like to thank you all for allowing me to be here. This is my first time here. One of my table mates, Richard, told me that he's going to take me around to different vendors and get some food. And the other table mate, MJ, says, "Do you like spicy food?" I said, "Yes." But I think I said that too quickly. So if you see me sweating, about to fall out, please bring me a bottle of water, fan my face, rise me back up. I'm going to see if I can step up to that challenge, but I'm looking forward to being part of this event, enjoying the food, enjoying the friendship. And I want to wish each and every one of you a happy and joyous new year. God bless you all. Thank you.